What's your take on the judge's ruling that the lyrics can come in? I mean, there's the argument that, hey, I can get up and say whatever I want if I'm creating a piece of art. This is music at the end of the day, and it's widely known that some of the artists in this genre sort of overplay to get more street cred, and it helps sell albums. There's nothing illegal about that. There has to be more there, Michael, does there not? What's your opinion on the judge's initial ruling? And he did, you know, he couched it. He's going to go through it as the trial moves forward. But a lot of heads were turned when he said, yeah, you can bring in the lyrics.
You know, Ted, I agree with the judge's ruling, because the judge did say, he prefaced it by saying, as long as it passes, as long as the things you're going to bring in are going to pass the foundational tests and the relevancy tests, and their probative value outweighs their prejudicial value, I will rule in favor of bringing in the lyrics. Because the defense attorneys just wanted there to be a blanket ban. No matter what he says, you can't bring it in. I mean, that's crazy, right? If you really think about it, imagine in any context, no matter what my client says publicly, you have to have a blanket ban because my client was saying it for money. He was selling records. I mean, it's crazy that they even took that position. So I think the judge's ruling is right on point. And this case is not about his lyrics, right? It's kind of got overblown for a good reason, because this is a seminal situation in the prosecution of rap artists, right? But this case is not because of his lyrics. They did not bring a case and build a case based purely on his lyrics. They have testimony. They have co-defendants who have flipped. They have they've recorded conversations. They have actual crimes. They have a rented car, and the rented car was used and forensically was tracked to an actual murder. They have all of that, and then some of the lyrics are very specific about specific crimes, and they kind of form as a little bit of a glue on certain parts of the case, but other parts of the case stand alone, having nothing to do with his lyrics. So I think the judge's ruling is right. Frankly, I'm shocked that Young Thug is shocked that the judge made this ruling. And yeah, other rap artists, listen, if you've committed a crime, and I hate to say this, if you've committed a crime, don't rap about it. It's really very simple.